Hello everybody, we are at SeaWorld today. We're just going to do a quick little video. Hopefully we're going to get Expedition Odyssey, a new ride that looks a lot like Soarin.
Yep, so that'll be a first for us. We're going to grab some lunch back in here. They actually have a Passholder lounge as well with some free little sodas. But yeah, lunch, new ride, and possibly Andy wants to take me on.
Oh yes, Journey to Atlantis. So she's never been, I've been many years ago. But first, we're gonna try Waterway Grill. We're still looking for our favorite quick serve here. So hopefully this will be it. So come along and let's have a little SeaWorld fun. Alright, real quick lunch here. This will be our third quick service. We'll see if it's any good. Just chicken tenderloins.
It looks a little dead, so hopefully it tastes better.
Alright, good flavor.
Good flavor?
And we're in the Passholder lounge. Andrea got herself a little freebie soda. I got 2 free beers, 2 Bud Lights.
Alright, actually, the chicken is hot. It tastes good. Fries are nicely seasoned, so not bad for lunch. We'll take it.
Okay, so we enjoyed Waterway Grill. Our third, well, between the two of us, our third quick serve was a success.
Don't judge a book by its cover. I thought the chicken looked dry, but the chicken was really hot.
Good.
It was juicy. It was fabulous. The fries were amazing. It tasted like they barbecue seasoning. Definitely a must do.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put in a little clip. I was here a few days ago on my own. I'm gonna put in a clip of the food I had. It was pizza, not so great. So our third quick serve was the charm, I think. Plus, we got the free sodas. We got the free courtesy beers. So also on my trip here, I did do a ride on the Kraken. So I'll put in a little clip right now of my food and the ride. All right, got my 2 free beers, and it's right there. It's a Passholder perk. But yeah, how about that? I'll take them. They're Bud Lights. That's the only choice. All right, we're gonna give Dockside Pizza Company a chance. It's like they have 3 types of pizza, 3 meat, olive oil, tomato, pepperoni, cheese, 4 types. Sub and salad, meatball sub, Caesar salad. Okay, eating at Dockside Pizza. So this place, I stand corrected, is not new. It's been like a year, but not new. New to me though. So the pizza looks pretty good. We'll get into it, see how it is. All right, so not bad pizza, just not the best in the world. It's amusement park pizza, basically. But it does have 3 meats. Just not entirely sure I would try this again. It's just so-so. Okay, here's the Kraken. It is a 5-minute wait. That's insane. All right, I've never ridden this, so let's go do this before it storms. Oh wow, look at that hill. Oh my. Oh, what a view. Holy cow. Whoa. Whoa. Wow! Holy cow! Oh man! Whoa! Oh man! Oh man! All right. Oh man, this is awesome. All right, this is great. That's a great ride too. Mako. Oh.
Until the coaster is stop inside the station. Unfasten your seatbelt.
All right, I just rode the Kraken. That was amazing. My first time ever. That was an exciting ride. So definitely not for Andrea. Too many loops and turns and corkscrews, but I really liked it. But look what's open. Journey to Atlantis. Okay, we just got off Expedition Odyssey, and right now it is closed, so it's a good thing we did.
So we just shut it down.
We did. We were in line for an hour, so this is officially our longest queue line ever at SeaWorld.
Yeah, it was a 45-minute wait, but it went down right as we were into the loading queue. But we got on it. It was cool. We'll show you the footage in just a second, but
yeah, I did like it. Definitely, it's like Soarin, but there's some surprises, so you'll see.
yeah.
So yeah, we'll put in the footage right here. Polar bear friend. Whoa, look at them all. Walrus City. Huh. Whoa! Under the water. Was not expecting that. Oh, the Aurora Borealis. And I think that is it.
That was cool.
Not bad. Alright, the ride puts you out in a really cool looking habitat area. I'm not seeing penguins, but it's very cool. And we exit through a very nice and bright gift shop.
Warm.
And it's warmer. Look at all the merch here. Oh, it's not so bad. Journey to Atlantis is open. It'll be Andrea's first time.
It looks like a big hill and I don't want to get wet.
It's a big hill. Kind of. Going higher.
And brace yourself for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill.
Oh boy, here we go. Oh, wow. Whoa! Ah. All right, not too bad. Well, we are not done. Oh, that got me more wet than the big hill. Oh, I know, that was terrible. Great. Whoa! Oh! Did you see? Oh, thank you. Good catch. Good catch. I forgot about that too. I was like, All right, I just rode this ride and wow, all right, I'm totally soaked. So the first hill isn't bad. I didn't get wet even in the front row, but then this hill right here, you get a lap full of water. Yeah, this is fine here. Over there, lap full of water, and my shorts are totally soaked. Everything's soaked. Guy did say in the third row, they don't get that lap full of water, so go like third or fourth actually, not first or second. But anyway.
But I chickened out because they were coming out hot down that hill.
Yeah, look at that.
But I chickened out. I'm glad I did because my shoes would be soaked and my socks, so I came out the winner in this one.
Yep. Oh, and here's the nice guy who caught my hat. Thanks again.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah, he caught my hat. I know, me too. It must have landed right in his lap. Yeah, if it weren't for this darn hill right here, and it's a little baby hill. If it weren't for this right here, I would have been dry. Basically dry. Yeah, right there, about there. Coming over right where it lands. Right there, that tiny little thing. That's what did it. Huh. Isn't that crazy? All right, thanks for coming along for this quick little video. We did show 3 rides and then 2 quick serves and a brand new ride.
So thanks for coming along. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Yep, hit that subscribe, ring the bell so you're notified of all our videos.
And we will see you on our next adventure.
Bye.